If you get the roller accessory, now you can give it a third access and do rotary items. Just place the roller accessory on the base, hook up the neck wire to the USB port on the side. With the extra USB wire, hook up the laser head to the USB-C port on the side. Now, before you load your image into the system, tap on the drop-down menu, go to More Settings, turn the third access on, and choose Cylinder Mode. Then you can load your image, set the width, then set the power and the depth, hit start. The machine and the roller accessory knows what to do after that. Now you've got this whole other host of ideas that you can etch with. Again, got this at the dollar store. Want somewhere cool to put your loose change? I've gone ahead and scribed coins on the side and gave it a decorative Celtic knot design. Again, how much could you sell this for on Etsy? What's on tap? How about some cake? How about some really cool keg handles with your favorite beer? Again, another dollar store item. Cool pencil holder. And this is what I think that most people are going to use this accessory for is tumblers. It really shines on anodized or painted tumblers. And either personalize it or put your company logo on there. If you're running a printing business, put your client's logo on here. Again, another great gift idea or another great way to make your company stand out.